Hey guys, Sam from 3D here. In this short video I would like to show you what is inside CHARACTERZ version 2 library, thanks to which you can do millions and millions combinations of 3D characters. So let's take a look inside. Firstly, I will show you the source files and others. In the license is pretty standard, as we have on all our libraries. You can't resell the PNG files or you can't resell the source files, but you can use them in the commercial projects. And if you would like to do something more, please reach out to me. And also I put the license into the description. Tutorials will show you how you can change the colors, materials, how you can create your own pose, how you can change the pose, how you can change the outfits, eyeglasses, legs, clothes. So basically you can create your own character and change based on your needs. Poses will just help you to show you all the poses we have, and also with the number. Outfits, the same thing, it will help you navigate what you need to know. If we go to the source files, we have female and the male. So let's take a look inside. As you can see, we have generator, and here is the male, and the similar file is for the female. So here is the generator. Thanks to generator you can create your own character, and here is the rig. So here is the facial rig, and here is the rig of the body. It's super easy to do. You just need to drag it and you are changing the character, right? So also super character is included. Let's take a look on the PNG files. For example, male. On the male we have black, brown, white. So it's the skin color, and we have 25 poses rendered for now. If you would need that, I'm able to render more different poses. So this is how it looks like. It's transparent background with different characters in it. Okay, so this is how you can use it. This is in the black, in the brown. They will be like different characters. Okay, let's take a look on the female. We have the same white, brown, black, and again we have rendered characters with a transparent background. We have rendered more than 9,000 PNG files, and trust me, if you are new to Blender, we created tutorials which are easy to follow, and you can do much more combination and you can squeeze the library. If you have any question, please reach out to me at samuel@3d.design. If you want to learn more about CHARACTERZ library, go to characters.design. If you want to learn more about our other libraries, go to 3d.design. Have a great day, stay creative, bye.